So.
All right, we're at the Freedom We're at the Freedom Factory for Titus's Cars and Coffee event. What do you think? What's your favorite car you think you're gonna see here?
Well, it depends if there's gonna be helicopters.
Oh, well, helicopters aren't cars.
Okay, so then it's probably gonna be.
Because helicopters are cool. Of course, I'd take a helicopter over a car.
Maybe a Hellcat, maybe a Blackwing.
Okay. Well, we see Hellcats at home, don't we?
Yeah.
So maybe a Blackwing.
Blackwing we don't
would be
have
pretty
that.
cool. Do you think Titus
But those
is
are slower than Hellcats.
Yeah, that's true. It's not always about speed, though.
I know.
Do you think
About coolness.
Do you think Titus is gonna have his giveaway Escalade V here today? Think he's gonna drive that here?
Probably not.
You don't think so? You don't think he's gonna have it on display so that everyone buys a bunch of merch at the merch trailer? We got to get some. We got to get at least one ticket in.
That's like,
you know?
Why would we do that? There's people that like spend like
I know.
$1,000.
There's probably people with their whole closet full of Cletus merch, but I mean, if we don't play the game, we don't have a chance of winning, right?
True.
It's nice to have at least one chance.
But that's an Escalade V. We already have that, but in a different brand.
Yeah, but why not have an Escalade V? Besides, an Escalade V, even though it might not be as quick as the Hellcat, is much nicer than the Hellcat. It has massaging seats. Wouldn't it be nice to sit there and have your seat massaging you while you're waiting for the Freedom Factory to open?
But that would mean that we would have 5 cars.
What's wrong with that?
We don't need that many.
What's wrong with that, huh?
We don't need that many.
Huh? What's wrong with that? All right. Well, let's wait for them to open the gates. We'll go from there, okay? It's the Super Boys up front.
Up there. We got 2 little trucks. One by Chevy and one by Ford. Companies that team up together in sometimes. Chevrolet only teamed up with Ford in one company. Mustang. All the Crown Vics from the Freedom 500.
Wow.
Look at how wrecked they are.
They are very wrecked.
From the Freedom 500. Especially Cletus's. Ugh.
Which one's his?
Right there.
The blue one. I love the smell of old cars. It reminds me of my childhood. I don't know why, it just does. Here we go.
On the couch! I don't
That's a V, isn't it?
Well, yeah, but the Escalade said he was letting off like a giveaway.
Oh, true. Yeah, I don't see it here either, bud. God, I want to race on this track so bad. Get my Ultima.
That's not until like middle of the year, Dad.
What's that?
The Ultima 600 only is like on.
It's in October.
Yeah.
Well, why can't I, huh? You gonna tell me I can't? No one tells me I can't.
Well, you can't, but like you gotta wait a little.
I want to park next to the other V. Don't take my spot. No! Why would you do that? Don't take my spot. We crossed the finish line.
Why don't you have play this merch, Dad?
I'm thinking about getting some so I can win this Escalade.
Yeah, one Clay's merch. Let's go.
Listen. I'm gonna take out the cornhole board. Kapow! Banned. Banned from future Freedom Factory events. No.
Why do you shake it that much? You don't need to shake it down.
Sorry. Watch your hands. All right, where's Cletus's V? I'm not going to be happy till I see it. I want to know when I'm winning before I sign up for it. What is this? What is that? What is that?
What?
The hat. Hey, who stole our car? Oh, they painted everything. They have an airbox in here and stuff too. Looks good.
No deaf.
I think that supercharger has a bigger displacement than my whole engine.
That's a demon, like the demon engine that Dodge makes?
What's that?
Is that engine the same engine that Dodge makes?
I don't know.
No.
That's why I thought this was.
It's pretty cool. What are you looking at?
I don't know.
Everything? Looking at everything? How's the chocolate milk? Is it good?
Really
Yeah.
cold. Really, really cold.
just a beautiful
Is that
Mustang.
Corvette has the engine that your car has?
No, these are old. These are not the same ones.
Oh,
These
yeah.
are old small blocks. Not the same small block in my car. It's got a proper shifter in there though. 4-speed. So cool. All right, Titus, I found your car.
Tell you what, I don't want to be killed anytime soon, so I'm not buying
Here you go. What do you think? No? No? Oh, the slingshot's nice though. Needs a bath. But it's nice. Ooh.
Stuff like dragsters and stuff on the racetrack, and so since we can't go there because there's practicing and stuff and there's no tickets, everybody's lined up to just watch it from the top end of the Freedom Factory. And they tend to be racing reverse, so I don't know, because they're going this way to the end.